Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use PayPal as a mode of payment here in Amazon. So let's get started. So first, let's say we want to buy a product that is let's say Sony WH-1000X M4. Let's say we want to buy this one. Then let's go there, and here let's say we want to buy this, so let's go for this one, and let's just wait for it to load. And we want to buy it now, or if you want to add to cart, then that's also fine, but let's just go to buy now so that we can go to the payment options already. Right here we have your credit cards, payment plans, your available balance. You can also do that, and other payment methods. Right here you can go for a pay code, Amazon.com, or checking account and Venmo account. As you can see, we don't have PayPal available right here. We only have these options. So I'm going to show you a trick or a hack on how you can use PayPal to pay for this. So what you can do is we're gonna utilize this gift card right here, and we're gonna purchase a gift card using PayPal, and we can go do that in gifters.com right there. We're just gonna wait for it to load, and as you can see, I think I inputted the wrong one. Let's just go for search for eGifters right there. There it is, eGifter. It is without a S. I apologize for that, but this is the website that we are looking for, egifter.com. and what you want to do is search for Amazon gift card. As you can see, you don't even need to search it anymore. You already have it here, Amazon.com, and you can just go and click it here right there, and you can go for this one. And let's go back to Amazon to see the price of what we are paying for. Let's go back right here. It's 278. So of course what we're gonna do right here is go for 278 right there. And what we're gonna do is select if you're gonna buy it for yourself or for a friend, but let's say for myself right there, and let's wait for it to load right there. You can now buy this Amazon gift card by proceeding to checkout right there. Got it. And let's wait for it here on the checkout right here. So your amount due is 278 right there. Remove item, but first you need to log into your gifter account, so you can sign up right here into your name, your email, your phone number, or you can create a password right here, and after that, that's pretty much it. And if you already have an account, you can log in. So once you have done this, then all you have to do is simply link your card right here, put your card information or maybe your bank account, and after that you can continue right here, and you can already go choose your payment method. Just like I said, maybe it's credit card or whatever cards you have. Maybe you can also choose crypto, and after that you're all good to go. You should be having the gift card on your email. They would send it to your email, and you could use the code right here. You can paste the code right here that is being sent to your email, and then you're all good to go. After you have input the code right here, you can click on apply, and then you can go to the step 3 offers, then items and shipping. You need to provide your address, and after that you're all good. You have successfully used PayPal as your payment method here in Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.